If you need to transfer Hostinger ownership, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether you are handing over a client account, moving control to a team member, or just updating the account details for a new owner, this guide will help you do it quickly and correctly. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser, go to Hostinger, and sign in using the current account credentials. Make sure you are logged into the account that currently has ownership, because this is where the transfer process begins. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for your profile area. In Hostinger, you'll want to go to Profile and then open Account Information. This is where your main account details are stored, including the email address that controls the account. Now, find the email address field. This is the key step in transferring ownership. Change the email address from the current owner's email to the new owner's email address. Double check that the new email is typed correctly, because this is the email that will be used to verify and take over the account. After updating the email address, save the changes if Hostinger prompts you to do so. In many cases, Hostinger will send a verification email to the new email address. So the next step is to ask the new owner to open their inbox and verify the email. Once the new owner verifies that email address, the account will belong to them. That means they will now have access to the Hostinger account under their own email, and they can manage the hosting services, billing, and account settings from there. If you're transferring ownership for a client, it's a good idea to stay on the call or stay in contact until the verification step is complete, just to make sure everything goes through smoothly. And if you are doing this for your own records, it's also smart to confirm that any other recovery details or payment information are updated as needed after the transfer. That's really all there is to it. Log into Hostinger, go to Profile, then Account Information, change the email address to the new owner's email, and verify the new email to complete the ownership transfer. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.